In this video, we will see the use of match function. Here we have a table containing the product name, but I want to find the position number of the respective product name. Let's see how to do. Type equals to match, open parenthesis, select the lookup that is smartphones, comma, and select this column, comma, and type 0 for exact match, close parenthesis, end. Now, if you can observe here the result, the position number 2 is the smartphone, but I want to find the position of this headphones, this position number 4. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.